Hi friends, welcome to CNR English Academy. இன்னைக்கு Sunday ஸ்பெஷலில் part 5 பார்க்க போகிறோம். 1 to 10 units of MCQs plus இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா previous year question papersோட questionஸும் இதில் நான் ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Okay, move on to the questions. What is your caesura in poetry? Options are a line containing consonants, sprung rhythm, a pass indicated by a comma, none of these. Correct option is option C, a pass indicated by a comma. Next question. The term new critics was used for the first time by, the options are T.S. Eliot, I.A. Richards, Oscar Wilde, John Ruskin. The correct option is option B, I.A. Richards. Next question. The Ben Jonson comedy of humor lacked in dash, which can be found in the comedy of manners. The options are the courtship, satire, wit, all the three. The correct option is option D, all the three. Next question. Tillotson, describing Pope's use of a poetic form, writes, Pope uses dash as if they were stanzas self-contained. What does they refer to? The options are Pope's poetry, Pope's satire, Pope's heroic couplets, none of these. The correct option is option C, Pope's heroic couplets. Next question. Melting apparent surfaces away and displaying the infinite which was hid. What is Blake explaining in this sentence? The options are art of writing poetry, his method of printing. This is not Blake's sentence, none of these. The correct option is option B, his method of printing. Next question. The time occurred this time in 1788. What was it known as earlier? The options are the Telegraph, Tatler, Sunday Mirror, Daily Universal Register. Correct option is option D, Daily Universal Register. Next question. Blake's Songs of Experience deals with, options are social and religious oppression, sorrow and suffering, both A and B, none of these. Correct option is option C, both A and B. Next question. Blake printed his own works by a method devised by himself. The options are yes, no, perhaps, none of these. Correct option is option A, yes. Next question. In which of the following do we find the caricatures of Coleridge, Byron and Shelley? The options are Thomas Love Peacock's Nightmare Abbey, Hardy's Test, Huckle's Point Counterpoint, none of these. And the correct option is option A, Thomas Love Peacock's Nightmare Abbey. Next question. Who is the 20th century poet that alluded to April in one of his poems? Options are W.H. Auden, Ezra Pound, W.B. Yeats, T.S. Eliot. The correct option is option D, T.S. Eliot. Next question. Rudyard Kipling was awarded the Nobel Prize in the year. The options are 1905, 1907, 1909, none of these. Correct option is option B, 1907. Next question. Low-Lords are the followers of the following Protestant and Reformation leader. The options are John Wycliffe, King Edward, Martin Luther King, Martin Luther. The correct option is option A, John Wycliffe. Next question. The supernatural elements that figure in Macbeth are, the options are ghost, witches, both A and B, all the above. The correct option is option C, both A and B. Next question. 1801. I have just returned from a visit to my landlord, the solitary neighbor that I shall be troubled with. Which of the following begins with these words? The options are Wuthering Heights, Under the Greenwood Tree, Tess, none of these. The correct option is option A, Wuthering Heights. Next question. Which is the month in which groups of pilgrims used to march towards the Canterbury? The options are January, March, April, none of these. Correct option is option C, April. Next question. Which of Jane Austen's novel begins with this sentence? It is truth universally acknowledged that a single man. The options are Pride and Prejudice, Emma, Mansfield Park, none of these. Correct option is option A, Pride and Prejudice. Next question. The phrase willing suspension of disbelief is associated with, options are Wordsworth, Coleridge, Keats, Byron. Correct option is option B, Coleridge. Next question. Testing of flora and the country green, dance and provincial songs and sunburnt myth. These Keats lines from Nightingale has dash figure of speech. The options are synesthesia, personification, oxymoron, none of these. The correct option is option A, synesthesia. Next question. Who wrote plays that were all tragedies? Options are Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, Marlowe, none of these. The correct option is option C, Marlowe. Next question. Arbuthnot in Pope's epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot is, the options are the satiric voice that addresses, the writer in first person singular, an adversarian, none of these. Correct option is option C, an adversarian. Next question. Who among the following can be considered the mouthpiece of Dryden in his essay of dramatic poesy that was written in a dialogue form? The options are Keats, Neander, Lycidius, Eugenius. And the correct option is option B, Neander. Next question. Which literary group derived its philosophy from More's Principia Ethica, which says, by far the most valuable things dash are the pleasure of human intercourse and the enjoyment of beautiful objects, human progress? The options are the University Wits, the Cavalier Poets, the Bloomsbury Group, none of these. The correct option is option C, the Bloomsbury Group. Next question. Shaw's Miscellaneous is about the, options are man-woman relations, parent-child relations, both A and B, none of these. And the correct option is option B, parent-child relations. Next question. Which of T.S. Eliot's poems is based on a musical pattern? Options are The Waste Land, Ash Wednesday, The Rock, Four Quartets. Correct option is option D, Four Quartets. Next question. For most of his poetry, each depended on the source of the Irish legend and folklore only, the Indian legend, magic and theosophy, both A and B, none of these. The correct option is option C, both A and B. Next question. What is a poem called which first letters of each line spell out of a word? And the options are epic, haiku, alternative, acrostic. The correct option is option D, acrostic. Next question. Where did T.S. Eliot spend most of his childhood? The options are St. Louis, Denver, Toronto, Cuba. The correct option is option A, St. Louis. Next question. Rangagowda is a character in options are Kantapura, Coolie, The Lion and the Jewel, The English Teacher. The correct option is option A, Kantapura. Next question. Who gave the word boredom to readers? Options are Charles Dickens, George Eliot, T.S. Eliot, Virginia Woolf. The correct option is option A, Charles Dickens. Next question. Spelling was more or less fixed by the dash. Options are end of 15th century, beginning of 16th century, end of 16th century, beginning of 17th century. Correct option is option A, end of 15th century. Next question. English replaced French as the language of the law courts in options are 1362, 1363, 1364, 1365. The correct option is option A, 1362. Next question. A very popular film was made on one of the novels of R.K. Narayan. On which of the following novels? The options are Waiting for the Mahatma, Malgudi Days, Guide, Mr. Sampath. The correct option is option C, Guide. Next question. By writing the poem Passage to India, Walt Whitman firmly believes the options are in a unification between East and West, Americans can transcend their materialism with the Indian spiritualism. Americans are superior to Indians, both A and B. And the correct option is option D, both A and B. Next question. Consonants are said to be unvoiced if the dash. Options are vocal cords vibrate, hummed through the nose, vocal cords does not vibrate, larynx does not vibrate. And the correct option is option C, vocal cords does not vibrate. Next question. Biology is a dash word. The options are Celtic, Greek, Latin, French. Correct option is option B, Greek. Next question. My imagination is a monastery and I am its monk is from Keats' letter to. Options are Benjamin Bailey, John Taylor, P.B. Shelley, Woodhouse. The correct option is option C, P.B. Shelley. Next question. In which play of Shakespeare a character Lennox appear? Options are Macbeth, Measure for Measure, The Tempest, Henry IV. The correct option is option A, Macbeth. Next question. Robert Frost's favorite figure of speech was? Options are simile, oxymoron, personification, synecdoche. The correct option is option D, synecdoche. Next question. The play Dr. Faustus is in. The options are 13 scenes, 14 scenes, 30 scenes, 15 scenes. Correct option is option A, 13 scenes. Next question. The third section of The Wasteland is entitled. Options are A Game of Chess, A Fire Sermon, Death by Water, The Burial of the Dead. The correct option is option B, A Fire Sermon. Now we are going to see the previous year question papers questions. And இன்னைக்கு நான் எடுத்திருக்க questions பார்த்தீங்கன்னா question number 41 to 50 PGTRB 2019 question papersல இருக்கிற questions. Okay. Francis Bacon quotes the following statement in his Easy of Friendship taken from Aristotle's dash. Whosoever is delighted in solitude is either a wild beast or a god. Options are the Politics, the Poetics, the Athenian Constitution, Metaphysics. And the correct option is option A, the Politics. Next question. To boil the chicken and the marrow bones and powder merchant tart and galligate. He could roast and seethe and boil and fry, make and motifs and well bake a pie. Powder merchant tart in the lines given above from the Canterbury Tales seems to have. The options are root of the sweet cypress, strong seasoning, soup, medieval curry powder. The correct option is option D, medieval curry powder. Next question. In which part of the book of Job does God show himself through the presentation of a panorama of his creation? The options are the prologue, the speeches of the Lord from the whirlwind, the debate between Job and his three friends, speeches of Elihu. The correct option is option B, the speeches of the Lord from the whirlwind. Next question. Dash facilitates Munno's journey to Bombay. Options are an elephant trainer, a rickshaw puller, a lorry driver, a bank accountant. The correct option is option A, an elephant trainer. Next question. Dash is a general term for a conventional knowledge structure that exists in memory. Options are in leakages, schema, turn talking, coherence. Correct option is option B, schema. Next question. The principal language of Teutonic is dash. Options are Gothic, Greek, Latin, Balto-Slavonic. Correct option is option A, Gothic. Next question. To avoid war, the offending can give umuphia. The options are a young girl and her mother, a child and its mother, a young lady, a virgin and a boy. Correct option is option D, a virgin and a boy. Next question. Sarojini Naidu's dash is a reflective lyric. Options are Summer Odes, If You Call Me, Soul's Prayer, The Farda Nation. The correct option is option D, The Farda Nation. Next question. What is the name of the specific test that Bliff and Bernard are preparing to take up in the play Death of the Salesman? Options are Regents, Cambridge Advanced Level, High School Has Level, FRCP. Correct option is Regents. Next question. A postmodernist dash fragmentation. The options are laments, celebrates, abhors, restricts. Okay friends, up to this I conclude. ஒரு நல்ல வீடியோவில் இதே மாதிரி உங்களை நான் மறுபடியும் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். Up to that, thank you friends. Thanks for listening.